Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another Hot Wheels case unboxing. This time we have the P case, and right off the bat I noticed that there is some bad damage. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but this whole corner right here is like all right here is just completely crushed, and there's some more kind of smashed damage, like this whole face got pressed, I guess, because it's all creased right here. And I think that's the main extent of the damage. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it down with that major crease spot right up on top. And I'm just going to carefully lay it down to try to at least keep the cars from jolting around. So if they did get damaged, they're not too far damaged. And then let me just go ahead and cut this thing open. Alright. And then just cut right across the front here. Alrighty, so I'm really hoping that there's nothing crazy inside here that's damaged, but we will find out. Alright, so I'm really hoping I can get the treasure hunt or super treasure hunt from this. But let's go ahead and open this up. Don't really want to show off any of the cars just yet. And I don't want to see them either, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide this just right back here. And I'm going to go ahead and pull right off the top where that corner was damaged. And the first car is, okay, I'm fine with that. So it is a Batmobile, and you can obviously see there is a lot of damage on that. Even the blister pack is heavily damaged and cracked pretty bad. And then the other two cars that were up there with it are, okay, they're actually not too bad. Just minor little imperfections that I can tell right off the bat. But we have the Porsche 928S Safari, which actually looks pretty cool. Another new for 2023. Then we have the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Alright. Next three. Ooh, okay. So we got the Lamborghini Reventon there in red. And then the Hot Wheel 4-track. And then the Teed Off 2. Back to like that damaged corner a bit. Let's see if there's... Okay, so there's a little bit of damage. We have the 57 Jeep FC. This thing's huge. Then we have a Hot Wheels High. And then a 62 Corvette. And this one is near where that crush damage was. So just minor corner issue, but not actually too bad. And I'm really hoping that was the extent of all the damage. But we will find out here in this case. Because anything can like jolt and shift around, especially from an impact. Alright, so we have the 92 Dodge Viper RT10. And we have the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, and you can see that thing is huge. And then the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Alright, so, ooh, okay, we got another one of those. And there's a little bit of damage, unfortunately. Dang. So we have the Fast Feline, and then the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, and then the Porsche 935. In the last case, I actually got one of these and opened it up. And I made the comment, well, maybe I'll find one that's damaged and open that. And this one, I did notice there is some damage in that bottom corner. But not too bad, but I would have rather saved it and opened up this one. Oh, well. Alright, so next we have got some pretty awesome cars in this case. The Ford Bronco R, the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, and then the Land Rover Defender 90. Alright, so we have the Tesla Roadster, the H2 Go, and the 80 El Camino. And also, once again, there is damage. This one's actually, unfortunately, that one's actually creased right there across the corner. But I actually do not have one of these opened up. So stay tuned in an upcoming video. I most likely will be opening that car up. So it's not always a bad thing. And then I have the 6-lane raceway. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because I do races every single day with YouTube Shorts. Hot Wheel races on the 6-lane raceway. And then I'll do little tournaments as well. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for those. But let's see what else we got. So we have the Subaru WRX STI, the Hologram, and then the 71 Plymouth GTX. Alright, next up, that's actually kind of interesting. We have the Land Lowrider, which looks kind of crazy. The 82 Cadillac Seville, and then the Mad Splash. Oh, that's a new color. The Solero GT, which looks pretty cool. And then the Dodge Charger Drift. And then the GMC Hummer EV. Oh, we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt with the Pass and Gasser, the Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy, and then the Super would have been the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. The Super for this is actually selling for like $200 right now, and that would have been absolutely insane to get that in the Super. This one actually does have kind of like a damaged package, so if that would have been the Super, it would have come in damaged. This car actually does look really cool, so I might honestly, this might be a car in an upcoming video I'm going to open up and be able to put on the 6-lane raceway, because I think it actually looks pretty cool. Like all those Datsun, especially the 510, looks really cool, so that might make its way to Hot Wheel unboxing. And then we have the Honda CB750 Cafe, the tuned twin mill, and the 88 Honda CRX. Man, a lot of these actually have damaged packages. Like, all three of these, the bottom edge is, like, heavily beat up. So that's pretty unfortunate. But let's go ahead and take the divider out and get to the bottom of the case. Even the little divider, you can see how it kind of is a little mangled right here. Oh, that's too bad. Well, let's go ahead and start right up on top. We have the Batman Animated Series Batmobile, the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, and another fast feline. Also, all three of those are pretty heavily damaged. I kind of got bad luck with this case, honestly. Oh, man. I had the Lightning Bug, the 98 Mazda Savannah RX-7, and then the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Alright, so a Hot Wheel 4-track, 62 Corvette, and a 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Alright, the Hot Wheel High, 57 Jeep FC, and the Ford Bronco R. And those are kind of like wedged in there. Let's see here. And then the Teed Off 2, another 92 Dodge Viper RT10, and the Land Rover Defender 90. Well, I'm really hoping that we still get the regular treasure hunt, because there still is a chance for that. Alright, so we have another Lamborghini Reventon, another Porsche 935, and then another Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Alright, another Lightning Bug. And this is the Birdonator, which used to be called the Carbonator. So, another one that's kind of interesting. Jeep Scrambler. Alright, so we have the 88 Honda CRX, the Pass and Gasser, and the Custom Small Block. Next up, we have, let's see here. Ooh, okay, we got a Bugatti Bolide. That's actually a really nice casting one of my favorites so far. The Honda Super Cub Custom. And another Batman Batmobile. And we got the regular treasure hunt. Heck yeah. So there's the Mitsubishi Bolero Evolution. And that right there is the treasure hunt, the 2020 Dodge 1500 Rebel. And then we also have the Sandblaster. But this one right here, there's a little, not too much damage in the card, so that's actually pretty good. Right here on the back corner, we actually have the little treasure hunt logo. And then, I don't know if you can kind of see it there behind the truck. Let's see there. You kind of see like the logo with the text there. So that right there is the regular treasure hunt for the P Case. So that's actually pretty awesome. It does say like Ram on the back. And the kind of like raised lettering. And it's kind of like that, what's it, the Hot Wheel Rescue themed. So it has Coast Patrol on the side, then Search and Rescue. So not really like my favorite theme. But it's pretty cool that it is like a Dodge Ram. And yeah, and it's the treasure hunt. And there's no cracked blister or anything. This thing is actually good to go. So I will definitely be setting that aside. And then moving these out of the way. And we still have a few more cars left. So let's go ahead and finish off this box. Ooh, okay. So we got the 69 Dodge Charger 500. The Rockin' Railer. And then the Skyfire. And then the last three in the case. Alright, so we have the Custom 86 Camaro, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and the Hot Wheel Water Bomber. So that right there is the Hot Wheel P Case. And there were some awesome cars in there, but then it was a little boring at one point. But yeah, this box definitely got beat up pretty heavily on this corner. You see all the creasing there. And that was pretty... There you go. You guys can kind of see that right up in there. The corner took a beating. But yep, we got the, like I said, the P Case. So if you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of case unboxings all the time. I actually have a subscription where I can get one of every single case every time they come out. So definitely stay tuned. I do also sometimes order extra cases. If there's going to be like a super treasure hunt that I really want, sometimes I order another case just to have like a better chance at getting one. Which, as you see, it's not always the case. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.